Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Arundati Krishnaraj, Clinical Director at Delta Dental Care, specializing in prosthodontics and oral implantology. May not be exactly because of the implant, but may be due to surrounding teeth if they are malaligned. Now, what is an implant? An implant is nothing but a rigid connection which is connected to the bone, which is used to replace a missing tooth. Now, the implant is rigidly connected with surrounding bone inside the jawbone. So, there is no chance that it is going to move in and around the bone even later in life, since it's a rigid connection. But if there is other natural teeth which tend to move over a period of time, may cause malocclusion and cause an overall effect causing malocclusion of all your teeth. So per se, the implant, dental implant, doesn't cause malocclusion of the teeth.